These are the most essential part of your YouTube videos, because when someone see your videos, the first thing he or she see that make him or she to click and watch your videos is your thumbnails. Before you talk about the title, the description, the tags, the hashtag, and the main video. So on this video, I'll be taking you step by step how to create your thumbnails in the most easiest, simplest, and captivating way. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and do not forget to give these videos a thumbs up. Comment which other tutorial do you want me to do next. So on this particular tutorial, we need just two apps, which are your CapCut and your Pinterest. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. Head over to your Pinterest app, click on the search bar and insert free blur background for YouTube video or free blur background for YouTube thumbnail. It will come out either ways. It will give you the result that you're looking for. So it has opened. I will search to see the one that I like to use for this tutorial. Look, here I am looking for the one I will use. So let's keep searching to get the perfect one for our video. I've gotten the one that I want, the perfect one. So I will click to download it. I've downloaded it. So let's head over to our CapCut. You open your CapCut, click on that new project to put in, click on picture and bring that background that you just downloaded from your Pinterest app. So it's like this background is too shouting. So I want to blow it. Let me blow the background, okay? Sorry. So I click on effects. I click on effects to bring out video effects. So I've gotten the background. I will reduce it to 15. 15 is okay. I reduce it to 15. This is better. So I now click on overlay to insert my edited picture that I have for this tutorial. So I'll click to remove the background, and you know CapCut background, it is not free. It has brought up this pro, but don't worry, I got you. We will download it. We will download it for free without paying them a dime. So here I am, I've removed the background. Please, if you use the picture that the background is plain, just use a plain background for your picture. Take a picture from a plain background so that when you remove the background, the thing will not look stupid, okay? So here I am, I want to type in what I want. Just type in whatever thing, any title, any write-up that you want for your thumbnails. So here I am putting YouTube thumbnails tutorial with CapCut and Pinterest for this tutorial. So you click and type in whatever thing that you want to use for your thumbnails. So after inserting anything, any write-up that you want, we'll click to change the font. I prefer Fervent. Is it Fervent? Yes, I pronounce it well, right? Fervent. I like it because it's kind of bold. It brings us that bold and there is uniqueness in it. So I've chosen my font. I'll click on that style to choose the style that I want and the color of the font that I want. So I've clicked on that style. I will choose on that number 3 option. Then I will now reduce the capacity to 80 because I like it that way, and change it to any color. Just play along with the colors that you want. Just be changing the colors to see the color that you like, okay? But make sure you choose a sharp color because you want people to quick notice your thumbnails and your video, right? So search for that color that you like, that you know that if people see it, it will enter their eye and they will see your write-up, they will click it. So now we are done with our writing and the font, the style. Let's go back, click on that overlay again to bring in that CapCut image, okay? If you don't know how to get this image, go to your Pinterest app and search for CapCut logo. It will bring out. So when you put it, remove the background the same way we remove the background from that picture, and click on overlay again to bring the Pinterest and remove the background the same way Very simple and easy to use, and place it the way you want it to be. So let's go back to click on aspect ratio to change our image size to YouTube size, okay, which is 16.9. So you use your hand to zoom it out. So now I want to put the first write up behind my head. I will slide to where there is layers and click on it. Here is it. It have already choose by itself. If it doesn't choose on your own, you can click on that all to choose and to select all. It will bring out everything that you put on the screen there. So my own is already on that first write up. I'll click on behind back. I'll click on that back. It will take the text behind me. As you can see, if I click on that front, it will bring it back front. Okay, that is it. This is how to put write up behind your image. This is just be there and be playing with it so that you master what is here. Okay, you can use it anytime. See, you see with that CapCut and Pinterest, I click on it. I click on back, it went behind me. If I click on front, it comes to the front. So that is how to put right up behind your back in a picture. So now I'll now go back to download this. And you know we are using a pro features on this particular tutorial, and it will not be possible for us to download it except we pay money. But don't worry, I got you. Just screenshot it like this and click on that screenshot, then reduce it, just transform it to the size that you want and save it to your gallery, and you are done with your thumbnails. This is how to create thumbnails with CapCut and Pinterest. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up, comment and share it.